In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your own 4Sight2 license and integrate it with our DPS610E handheld pressure calibrator. When you buy a new DPS610E, as part of our calibration freemium offering, you receive a free license to our 4Sight2 software. 4Sight2 is the next generation calibration and asset management software that provides full visibility of all your assets, reference standards, and resources on your plant, allowing you to simplify and optimize your calibration processes. When you open the product box, you will see this flyer, giving you instructions of how to activate your free 4Sight2 Lite license. There are 3 simple steps to getting your software activated. Head to the link on the screen to get to our download page. Extract the package and run 4sight2.exe. You can make a note of the system-generated usernames and passwords by clicking the eye icon. Alternatively, entering your own username and password. Once done, install druck4sight2.exe, which can be found in the package that you have just downloaded. Note, this is a requirement for use with all Druck calibration equipment, including portable pressure calibrators, pace pressure controllers, and temperature calibrators. Once installed, you will see this icon appear on your screen. Open this through your browser. We prefer Google Chrome, and you will see the login page. Select your language and log in with your credentials. Note, 4Sight2 is available in multiple languages. Now you're in 4Sight2, you will need to email your unique hardware ID found on the license page as well as purchase order information to drucktechsupport@bakerhughes.com. Following this, our friendly Druck team will send you the unlock key. Upload the key file to the license page and click Activate. And as you can see, your 4Sight2 license is now activated. Thanks for watching. Visit our website to find out more.